Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Mechanical Sydney. This is the same car actually. This is part 2 of the video I'm doing. I already showed you this before in part 1, but I just want to show you now. This is the brand new parts that we're replacing. We're replacing the top strap mount, the bearing, bump stops, and a brand new shock absorber. Alright, this is for a C4S. They have a different top. C4S have a different top as well. Alright, but the reason why this is the CV boot as well. Brand new CV boots on here and there. New grease in there and there as well. So fully rebuilt, but I'll show you because the boot was ripped on that side there and that side there. That's why you can see the grease. Have a look at the actual. Have a look at that now. Look how clean it is. See, we had to clean that out properly. Look at that, silver, nice and clean. So, and I'll show you the picture. I'll show you the picture on the actual computer of the actual CV boot. So, let's have a look at this. Have a look at the CV boot. They were torn on the outer. That's the reason why we had to rebuild the CV boot. Because if you put it back, all the grease will come out and you'll damage the CV joint shaft and then you break everything. Alright, more pictures here. That one there as well. Different car. This is the CV boot now. That's how they look right now. Nice and clean, fully rebuilt. These with new boots, new clamps and new grease inside. These are all the parts we had to actually replace. We're nearly there, but we're going to start assembling soon for this car and we'll go from there. Wheel alignment will be the last thing we'll do. And then after that, bring the customer to come pick it up. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.